Starting around 02 November 2023, Cardano truly is exchanging at 31 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.09% in most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious way. ADA really has a sort of all-out market cap of $10,836,679,655 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $351,194,596, or so they generally thought. This for the most part makes Cardano, ADA, certainly positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023, what will Cardano sort of be genuinely worth in 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. Is Cardano a sort of wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, or so they really thought? Will ADA cost truly outperform its untouched high, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking? These certainly are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023 as per the Cardano conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ADA cost fundamentally is supposed to basically cross a kind of normal value level of 34 cents, the normal really least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to generally be 33 cents, or so they sort of thought. Besides, ADA can by and large arrive at a really most extreme value level of 37 cents, which essentially is genuinely huge. Cardano value gauge August 2023, the very normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could for the most part go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. ADA could for the most part be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of 31 cents, with the very least expected cost of 28 cents, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture September 2023, in September 2023, the sort of greatest cost for Cardano could essentially stretch around 33 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 explicitly is 30 cents with an in every practical sense, normal cost of 31 cents, which most certainly shows that certainly is Cardano, a generally excellent speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, in a very enormous manner. Cardano value gauge October 2023, in October 2023 the cost of Cardano basically is supposed to generally be at around a kind of least of 31 cents, or so they especially thought. Cardano cost can sort of arrive at an exceptionally limit of 34 cents, with the essentially normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, or so they generally thought. Cardano value conjecture November 2023, in November 2023 the cost of Cardano generally is supposed to basically be at around at least 32 cents, which especially is genuinely huge. Cardano cost can especially arrive at a for the most part limit of 36 cents, with the typical cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture December 2023, in December 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could sort of stretch around 37 cents, showing how Cardano value figure September 2023, in September 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Cardano could really stretch around 33 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023 certainly is 33 cents, with a typical cost of 34 cents, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano extremely passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost generally has shown a very decent increment of 6.85% as of now in an unpretentious manner. From absolute most recent 7 days the ADA in every practical sense was in especially great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.06%, showing how besides ADA can explicitly arrive at a truly greatest value level of 37 cents, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Cardano in every way that really matters has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, so will ADA cost explicitly outperform its unequaled high, which truly is genuinely huge. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA truly diminished by 31.391%, killing an astounding fundamentally normal amount of 14 cents from its truly current worth, showing how besides ADA, can generally arrive at an essentially greatest value level of 37 cents in an unpretended. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be in every practical sense great explicitly purchase a potential open door for pretty speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change generally is near 19.05%, and the cost in every way that really matters coursed from a base pretty typical cost of 37 cents to most extreme genuinely normal cost of 39 cents in the precise beyond 90 days in a kind of enormous manner. In most certainly most recent 4 months, Cardano basically has shown a developing pattern, sort of additional appearance how Cardano value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Cardano could really stretch around 37 cents, exhibiting how Cardano value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Cardano could stretch around 33 cents in an unpretentious manner. In this way, we explicitly believe that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Cardano really is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that besides ADA can by and large arrive at a by and large greatest value level of 37 cents, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost in an especially significant manner. The currency especially is up by 12.44% with the in every practical sense greatest fundamentally normal cost of the mint piece truly was around 27 cents, and the extremely least especially normal cost of for the most part was around 26 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months, showing that as per the all things considered, most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of Cardano basically is expanded from 4 months, exhibiting that besides ADA can by and large arrive at a really greatest value level of 37 cents, or so they essentially thought. Cardano value conjecture 2023 facts what will explicitly be Cardano genuinely worth in 2023 in a by and large huge manner. The ADA cost in every practical sense is estimated to arrive at a very greatest degree of 37 cents, with most certainly least cost of 33 cents toward the finish of 2023, which fundamentally demonstrates the way that Cardano cost can in every way that really matters arrive at an extremely limit of 34 cents, with the by and large normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Does Cardano especially have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as cost, Cardano generally has an extraordinary genuinely potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how Cardano certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost generally has shown a very decent increment of 6.85% in the kind of most recent 24 hours in a kind of